let me ask you some basic questions, right? I like to ask you the first question related to festivals.
Okay, sir.
My first question, which is your favorite festival and why?
My favorite festival is Diwali because Diwali is a festival of lights and full of joyness because all the family members are coming together and fulfill all the happiness, and the children are playing with crackers and enjoy the night. So that's why Diwali is my.
Jashan, do you really think festivals are important?
Yeah, sir. Festivals are very important, play a very important role in our life because festival tell me about the next onward generation, how to celebrate the festivals and knowledge about the festivals. So these are related to our culture.
Do you also enjoy Western festivals?
Yeah, sometimes we are able to joyful, but because just like Christmas is a festival of another countries, but we are celebrate like by celebrating by going with my families outsides, like, so that's why.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, let me move on to another topic. I like to ask you some questions related to musics, right? Do you like to listen music?
Yeah, sir, sure.
What type of music do you like to listen?
Punjabi and English also. So, but Punjabi is my favorite songs because I understand easily Punjabi. So, I prefer to.
How do you feel when you listen to music?
It's touching to my heart because I am also singing when the song is playing. So
you are a singer?
no, but singing like a.
Like it's just your hobby, right?
Yeah, sure.
Would you like to be a professional singer?
No, sir, no.
Why?
Because, sir, professional singers are some time of experience, and I have only a copy of singing now, so that's why I can't.
Do you really think singing is a tough job? Like it's.
Yeah, sure, sir. Singing is a profession, so if anybody can go with singing, so we take up so much time for
The practice,
and
rehearsal, right? Okay. Do you think singers are the God gifted or they can do by the practice?
Someone are God gifted and some make their practice and make our singing perfect. So both are different.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Karan Aujla
Karan Aujla, Punjabi singer,
Yeah.
right? Why he's your favorite singer?
because his voice is very beautiful and bass of songs are very attractive.
Do you really like some Punjabi old singers also?
All singers, yeah, sure. Chamkila.
Chamkila. Okay.
But their new generation is not like that loving singers because the new generation loves the songs. We are like new songs are released and all the generation listen the song, but all songs are not at that.
Do you really believe that nowadays the Punjabi singing is getting down or it's increasing?
No, it is. It's increasing because the craze of Punjabi song is very high in the new generation.
What's your views about Diljit Dosanjh?
Diljit Dosanjh, yeah, Diljit Dosanjh is very beautiful singer, and his voice is very clear and touch to the heart. So Diljit Dosanjh is also described the Punjab
To the
recently.
word, to the word, yeah. Mr. Jashan, I'd like to ask you: is music important subject of schools in your country?
Yeah, recently all the schools are make the music as a subject, not as another subject. Main subject is also come in music. So the reason behind that, students are going for these activities and make their
professions as
yeah.
a career, right?
Career.
Okay. Let me move on one more topic to you, my dear. I like to ask you about concentration, right? Are you a good concentrated person?
Sometimes, because it depends on the work. If I will do a work like reading and other subjects like in which we are working of my mind and I'm concentrating on the work, but sometimes like playing other sports, but in that sports sometimes we use concentration, but sometimes we use only the power, so they both are different.
Can you concentrate on noisy places?
It's depend on my mind, if my mind is working in all these activities are work, so we are able to concentrate. It's depend on my mind.
Does music helps you to concentrate more?
Yeah, music help. Different types of music like beats are also helping concentration, and soft sounds, voices are also.
Mr. Jashan, can you do two things at the same time?
Two things. No, I'm not able to do, but if I practice, so then I can do.
Do you think nowadays people have less concentration as comparing to past?
Yeah, because past times all the old people's doing yoga and meditation, because all the men's coming together and sit in the park. But new generation, we all are not able to walk. Their knees are very unstrong, so we are not are able to.
The last question related to education.
Okay.
Do you think education is very important?
Yeah, education. Today's time, education is very important, because education shows us career growth, and also provide the better knowledge of learning a lesson, and tell me the way of seeing other people's. Education is a power.
Do education important for businessmen also?
Yeah, education, businessmen make by education, because education teach how to learn a business, how to work a business.
So you want to say without education people cannot successful?
No, people can make successful, but education teach how to correctly make our life successful.
That's nice talking with you, Mr. Jashan. Thank
Thank
you
you so
to be the part.